Hola amigos, hello friends. We're gonna have to do something about the cuttings that I started in the AeroGarden in a previous video. Is this the camera? The camera is right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Not here, right? It's right here.
You're right in the middle.
Okay. Okay, my finger. The camera is here?
Yeah. That's your nose.
I'm blocking the camera?
Yes.
Okay, cool, thank you. Some of the videos I started in, some of the cuttings I started in the AeroGarden need to be transplanted like 10 days ago. So today we're gonna make some pots. Algunos de los estacas que empecé en la AeroGarden tienen que ser trasplantados rápidamente porque han estado en agua por mucho tiempo. Tienen muchas raíces ya. And I also need to use, and I want to use AeroGarden for something else. Quiero usar el AeroGarden para empezar a crecer algunas otras cosas. So, let's fucking do it. Ya, entonces vamos a hacer el mismo macetero. There's also a playlist that I did. It's called Non-Conventional Plant. Hice una lista de reproducción que se llama maceteros no convencionales. So this is the same style of pot that I did for that video where I split the spider plant. And if you haven't checked it out, go check it out. Es el mismo tipo que hice para la separación de las plantas arañas. So I'm just gonna show in case you haven't watched the video. And this is what you do, right? You make a hole. I hope you can see this because it's probably zoomed in. And you hold it there, and then a hole there, and then there, and there, and there, and there. I know I'm not fancy like most of those people that use like a marker and stuff. Toda esta gente que usa un plumón y todo. So I'm just gonna show you how to do one. What we have to make sure is that both bottles, right, the holes are at the same height, right? Right, cameraman? Okay, we're gonna, whatever, eyeball it, I think. That's what the gringos say.
Wing it.
We're gonna wing it. That's very straight. Huh? It's not straight at all. But anyway.
It depends on the angle.
Yeah.
Oh, there was one that wasn't. That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah. So now we're gonna cut the top of it. For that, we're gonna use a knife. Don't do anything. Okay. So we're there. There we go. This is how you do it Rodrigo style. Nobody cares. And if you want to see more of this, but in a different genre, go check my cooking channel. Rodrigo's Kitchen, where we just made a vegan pasta, right? What you do now is you get this what's the name of this? String. Yeah, basically you go through the holes.
And then we will join it with the other one. So as these two are joined, we're hanging this over a pole, so like that. So these areas here, you can make this as long and therefore hanging a lot lower, depending on what plant you're putting in or where you would like that level to be. So yeah, we're going to have it short like that. Okay, so now it's ready for the...
Ya, básicamente lo que dijo es que puedes ajustar la longitud de eso dependiendo de cuánto quieres que quede colgando. So now we're gonna move to the second pot that we're gonna try, and then we're gonna transplant the plants.
Okay.
So pot number 1 done. Ya, entonces una cosa que hay que hacer es ponerle hoyos a las tapitas estas, ¿ya?
Mm.
So whatever you have a nail or one of those hot,
Soldering irons. Soldering iron.
yeah, and a brine, you can use to make the hole here, because this is for the drainage. We're gonna show it after. Okay, actually, you put it here, right, on the thing. Lo chantáis aquí, and this is gonna be here, so to drain the water. En el caso de este, la idea es hacer un hoyo acá y un hoyo acá. Cortar esta parte y después atravesar una cuerda así y que quede colgando así como un tipo de triángulo. Okay, now the thing is, I'm gonna do the whole one of those things. Yeah. So now we just cut this part. Ahora vamos a cortar esta parte de acá.
So we'll be putting this through here.
Ahí tenemos colgante.
It can be a lot shorter.
Yeah, like that. That's better. Yeah. Oh, honey, there's a worm. I knew it. And when I made the video,
Oh, I bet it had wormy eggs.
when I made the video, I said, because this dirt is the one that I grabbed from the
I
box.
like it. Because it probably had worm eggs in it.
And I was saying, okay, there might still be worms here or eggs. And if there are worms or eggs, they're probably gonna survive here because there's still a lot of food. So what should I do? We should probably
Got to put in with the other ones.
put it back. Yeah, well, there might be more.
It probably will be.
Okay, should we check that first?
I think as you're putting it in,
Yeah, it's gonna die.
there's another one. Yeah.
Okay,
This one?
yeah. So,
Yeah, give me the worms.
yeah, I know this is what you like, but we need to put them away. One more.
Look. I think they might mate.
Let's get it on. Let's get it on. That's love, baby. Let's get it on.
You hold it up, the bottom maybe, or
Yep.
so all this stuff is still gonna decompose there with the roots, I feel. So, okay, honey. Honey, don't lean it too much. Okay? Okay. Don't you think this dirt looks good? You don't like it, I know.
No.
But you know how when they sell you
It is good. It is good.
when they sell you stuff with wood chips and stuff, this is
Yeah.
the same, very
Yeah.
similar to what they get from the forest. The difference is that this has cardboard.
Okay.
This dirt is gonna be amazing, and I'm gonna put a link there of where I got this dirt from. Okay, so we got pot one made, whatever, ready. Then, so this one. So remember that these have two holes in the lid. Tienen hoyos en las tapas. And now we're gonna add the dirt. Oh, my special dirt. I guess I maybe do better this in here. So we don't dejar la cagada. And if you give this as a Christmas gift for someone, they're just gonna look at the plant. They're not gonna look at the dirt. Who looks at the dirt? No one.
It's true.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this dirt away then. Ya, entonces vamos a sacar los cuttings de acá. Vamos a sacarlo. We're gonna get the cuttings, las estacas. So this is baby tears. And remember, this is 25 days planted. 25 días, hace 25 días que empecé esto. I should have done it sooner, like I said. Then the chocolate mint, lots of roots, un montón de raíces en la menta de chocolate. And wow, it's longer than my other plant that I have there. This is lemon balm, the same as this. The same as this plant here. Por mientras vamos a dejar las estacas aquí. Vamos a dejar, we're gonna leave the cuttings here for now so they don't get dry. And okay, I mean, we can just, which one are we start? I guess we're starting with, yeah, we're gonna start with baby tears, lágrimas de bebé, and I'm gonna put the scientific name there and everything. So basically we just can take away the rock wool, la lana de piedra, because we don't need this. We have the root there, and as you can see, it's not as white as the other ones. No está tan blanca como las otras. So now we just do this. I hope you can see it. And then we just there. Something like that.
Looks good. I like it.
Add a little bit more dirt. Añadir un poquitito más de tierra acá. Dirt with stuff. With bunny litter stuff. We're getting ready for the other plant, which is chocolate mint. Menta chocolate. Yeah, so again, we take it away from the thing. Okay. So like all over the place, so I'm gonna probably lose some roots here. That's fine. There we go. This one will grow better in water actually, but how am I gonna do this?
Just like that. Just feed it in.
I hope you guys are seeing this. I hope everything is at the angle. Yeah, I'm gonna put those little things. I'm gonna sunk them. I mean, dry,
You have to.
bury them. Los voy a enterrar, no es esto porque otherwise it won't be that stable. That's good.
Yeah, it does look good.
This is your Christmas present.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so now we water it a little bit.
A little.
Baby, 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 ooh, baby. Okay, sorry. Water. And it's draining. See?
Yeah.
So in this case, hopefully, at some point the dirt, the weight of this is gonna pull this, is gonna, what is it?
Pull it down a little.
Pull it down maybe, you know, because that's a lot of room there that we're wasting basically, unless we can push it. So this is ready to hang. Okay, doesn't look that good because there's poor lightning here, but poor light doing this. You want to try this one?
No.
You saw me doing it.
I know, but.
There's no technique because this is,
Okay.
we're gonna have to put it like this, right? Instead of putting it down like the other one.
Okay.
Let's hand it, yes. So now we're trying the lemon balm that had a pretty big root, una raíz super grande, and even have babies there. You can see them. Couldn't get that 'cause it's pretty fast. Okay, yeah, look at it. Getting rid of the rock wool. La lana de piedra. Look at that cutting, man. Remember that all that growth was in 25 days. You don't have to wait that long. But I was waiting for someone to help. Okay. So Lara, sorry,
Mm-hmm.
is doing this. Yeah? It's almost like a funeral.
It is actually.
Digging a hole.
Like this.
Yeah, see, she said that she didn't want to touch the earth, but look at her now. Look at her now.
You did that on purpose.
But it's not gross.
It's not. It's not actually gross. Seeing the worms in there make me happy.
And you know, this is also. You can always make these prettier and put some stones or pebbles on the top if you want. Puedes poner piedritas arriba, which is what I usually do with my crystals and stuff. And I probably will do it later. But for now, the purpose was to save those cuttings. El objetivo ahora era salvar las estacas esas.
Experiment with this dirt too.
Ya, eso, y probar la tierra, esa, si es que se puede utilizar o no. I'm still not experimenting on edibles. Ya no estamos probando en tierra para tomates, ni lechuga, ni cosas así. No tomatoes, no vegetables like we're gonna eat right away. I'm not talking, I'm not talking about cannabis when I meant edibles. I didn't mean that.
Well, I thought you did.
I mean, I would grow cannabis, marijuana, but we don't smoke.
No.
No fumamos, entonces.
Okay.
Okay,
What's that? Oh, it's avocado.
It's avocado, yeah.
There we go. Okay. It's good.
Okay. So are you gonna tie it when you hang it, or are you gonna tie it right now?
No, I want to get the height.
Is it tied? Or
No.
Ah, yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is where aquí es donde vamos a tener esto temporalmente. Something like that. Yeah, but that's for now. Eso es para ahora. Nos vemos en otro video. See you later. Thank you. Bye.